Hello friends, welcome to my channel Daily Vocabulary Class. Today topic is Static GK Part 2. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఈ వీడియో చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ఇది పార్ట్ 2. పార్ట్ 1 ఉంది, అది ఎండ్ కార్డ్ అండ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లింక్ కింద పెట్టా చూడండి. Who is the first president of Indian Republic? Your time start now. The answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 12th. Who is the first Indian to join ICS? Your time start now. The answer is Satyengra Nath Tagore. 13. Who is the first British Governor General of India? Your time start now. The answer is Lord William Bentinck. 14. Who is the first person to receive the Stalin Prize? Your time start now. The answer is Saifuddin Kitchlu. 15. Who is the first Indian Air Chief Marshal? Your time start now. The answer is S. Mukherje. 16. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Your time start now. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 17. Who is the first British Viceroy of India? Your time start now. The answer is Lord Canning. 18. Who is the first chief of the army staff? Your time start now. The answer is Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. 19. Who is the first Vice President of India? Your time start now. The answer is Radhakrishnan. 20. Who is the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament? Your time start now. The answer is Charan Singh. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. మీరు ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్కి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చేశారో కమెంట్లో పెట్టండి. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్ Please do subscribe.